Hi, so the game I've chosen is called Park Fractions. It's aimed at Year 6 students and it will help to improve their knowledge of fractions. So its purpose is to create a environment where students can improve and they can also relate it to life. So obviously if they can connect those two things, they may get a greater understanding. So I'll show you how it works. So first, you see on the side here, you've got your things you got to put in the park, and you can see that this is 1/8. So then students will then be aware that this needs to be a 2, and this would need to be a 4. So then it's 8 squares. Okay, and then you see here that the guideline is that 1/8 has to be bush. So you click that, and you go there, and then you see a quarter has to be garden. So obviously students will then have to make that 4 into a 2, into an 8, sorry, so times it by 2, which leaves 2 gardens. So they'll go there and there, and then you click OK. Alright, now students can put whatever they like in the remaining 5 squares. So I'm just going to go 1 bike track, 2 waters, 3 waters, and 1 bushland. And again, you click OK. And then they have to fill in their fractions for themselves. So obviously 1 bike track, so that would be 1/8. My bad. 1/8. There's 3 waters, which would make that 3/8. And then 1 bushland, so 1/8 again. Students can check their work, all correct, and you get a little smiley face. And then students, if they want to go again, they can select to make a new park just here. Obviously, it's also got times tables if students need help with that. And I think it's very effective because students are in control of their learning, and the guidelines set it out, but there's also a element of creation which students will enjoy. It'll be fun.